Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So most people solve this question like 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. Then again 5 minus 5 is equal to also 0. Now 0 multiplies 0 is equal to also 0. But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. Okay. Now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay. So PEMDAS P E M DAS. According to PEMDAS rule, P means parenthesis, E means exponents, M means multiplication, and D means division. A means addition, and S means subtraction. First priority is parenthesis, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Here also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. So in this problem, here is subtraction, here is multiplication, and here is subtraction. First priority is this subtraction. Okay. So 5 minus 5 multiply 5 is equal to 25 minus 5. Now here is subtraction and also here is subtraction. Both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this subtraction. 5 minus 25 is equal to minus 20 minus 5. Now minus 20 minus 5 is equal to minus 25. Okay. So the correct answer is minus 25. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching the video.